Hi, I'm Jeree Todd. I'm so excited to show you my newest listing at 3300 Forsyth Drive in Greensboro. This home is located just one block from Sedgeville Country Club, Greensboro's premier golf course community. This home truly has it all. You can walk out the front door and walk right across the street onto the course. Or you can walk out the back door and enjoy a beautiful courtyard, perfect for year-round outdoor living. And the icing on the cake is this home is totally renovated and move-in ready. So come on in and check it out.